Hello friends, myself Dr. Sanjeet Kumar. Today we are going to start sex-linked offense. In sex-linked offense, we will study about the stalking, voyeurism, sexual harassment, trafficking and indecent assault. First, stalking. According to section 354 IPC 78 BNS, a man shall be guilty of commission of offences of stalking if he follows a woman and contacts or attempt to contact such women to foster personal interaction repeatedly despite a clear indication of disinterest by such women, or monitor the use by a woman of the internet, email or any other forms of electronic communication. For the first offence, imprisonment for 1 to 3 years with fine, and for second or subsequent offence, imprisonment 1 to 5 years with fine. Then voyeurism, this is also called Scoptophilia and Peeping Tom. In this, sexual gratification is achieved by observing the genitalia of the others or to watch the sexual intercourse. It is counterpart of exhibitionism. It is punishable under section 354 CIPC, now 77 BNS. For first offence, 1 to 3 years jail, and subsequent offence 3 to 7 years with fine. Then Mixoscopia, it is a form of voyeurism in which the sexual gratification is achieved by seeing others engaged in sexual intercourse. This is called Mixoscopia. Bogging, a type of voyeurism. It takes place in the railways, leaning out of carriage window by observing love making in the adjacent carriage. This is called bogging. Then third is sexual harassment. According to section 354 AIPC or 75 BNS, a man shall be guilty of offences of sexual harassment if he commits any of the following acts: physical contact or advances involving unwelcome sexual overtones, a demand or request for sexual favor, showing pornography against the will of the women, making sexual color remarks. For A, B and C circumstances, punished with the rigorous imprisonment which may extend up to 3 years with fine of both. Or D circumstances, punished with the imprisonment up to 1 year, fine of both. Then fourth is trafficking. Whoever for the purpose of exploitation recruits, transports, harbors, transfers, receive a person by using threats, using force, by abduction, by fraud, deception, by abuse of power, by inducement, including giving payments or benefits, commit the offences of trafficking. It is punishable under section 370 IPC or 143 BNS. The imprisonment for 7 to 10 years. In this case, consent of the victim is immaterial. Then fourth is indecent assault. According to section 354 IPC or 74 BNS, the indecent assault is defined as sex-oriented behavior towards the opposite sex with an intent or knowledge to outrage her modesty, or criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty. It is punishable with imprisonment for 1 to 5 years with fine. Then question related to sexual offence. The only sexual perversion which is punishable under the Indian Penal Code is exhibitionism, voyeurism, fetishism, transvestism. Then exhibitionism. The maximum time limit to lodge a complaint of rape in India is 15 days, 30 days, 1 year, no time limit. No time limit. Ram horn-like penis may be seen in the accused of which type of sexual offence? Buccal coitus, buggery, bestiality, all of the above, buggery. Then patchy redness and abrasions are commonly seen on the glans penis if rape is committed on a very lean and thin woman, young child, obese, heavy built women, old women, to young child. Then false allegation of rape may be suggested by all except uncertainty about the consent, body injuries are not consistent with the damage in the cloth, not detection of semen in her vagina, undue delay in the reporting. So, no detection of semen in the vagina. Death in case of rape victim may happen due to neurogenic shock, suffocation, hemorrhagic shock, all. A form of sexual perversion where the person obtains sexual gratification by inflicting pain, torture, humiliation on the sexual partner is known as masochism, sadism, frotteurism, toilism, sadism. A streaking which is usually acceptable in the society in the more refined new modern form of which type of sexual perversion? Eugenicism, masochism, fetishism or transvestism, eugenicism. The only situation where the women may be accused of rape is when she seduces a young boy less than 18 years of age, used artificial penis during lesbianism relationship, assisted a man to rape another woman. None of the above, because the women cannot be charged as an accused of rape. So, assisted a man to rape another woman. Most common type of sexual perversion is sadomasochism, pedophilia, bestiality, eugenicism. So, sadomasochism. The sign of recent rape is forcetic congestion, motile spermatozoa, bleeding hymenal tear, patulous vagina, motile spermatozoa. A statutory rape is sex with a girl less than 16 years, sex with a girl below 18 years, sex with a girl above 16 years, sex with a girl above 18 years. So, sex with a girl below 18 years. Lust murder is an extreme form of sadism, masochism, frotteurism, fetishism, sadism. Locard principle is classically observed in drowning, putrefaction, sexual offense, planned homicide, sexual offense. Sexual pleasure is obtained by wearing clothes of opposite sex is transvestism, fetishism, masochism, tribadism, transvestism. Under BNS 2023, which act is considered as outraging the modesty of the women, making sexual colored remarks, physical contact with sexual intent, using force to undress a woman in public, all of the above. Under BNS 2023, sexual offense committed against which category of person are considered aggravated offences? Person with disability, pregnant women, children below 12 years, all of the above. Which section defines rape under BNS 2023? Section 63, section 64, section 65, section 66, so section 63. The BNS 2023 provides a stricter punishment for offences against which category of the victim? Senior citizen, women and children, government official, tourism, women and children. Which of the following is new offences introduced in BNS 2023? Theft, lynching, trespassing, forgery, lynching. This is all about sexual offence. Okay. Thank you for watching.